Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dylan Fitz, and today we've got something truly exciting lined up for you. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates. Now, let's dive right into today's adventure. Have you ever wished that you could earn rewards for referring the Temu app to your friends? Yes, you can earn up to $100,000 per month and other exciting prizes and free products by referring the Temu app to your friends and family. In this video, we will explore how you can refer Temu to your friends and what exciting rewards await you. What is the Temu app? Temu is a popular payment and financial management app that allows users to pay bills, buy phone credit, and transfer money using their smartphones. The app is available on both iOS and Android platforms and is used by thousands of people. With Temu, users can create and manage their virtual debit cards, which can be used for online payments and in-store purchases. Additionally, Temu provides safety features for safe transactions and a readily responsive customer support system. In short, Temu simplifies your financial tasks, allowing you to do more with your time. How much is the Temu referral bonus? At Temu, they value our customers and reward them for their loyalty. That's why our referral program is so popular. You can earn up to $100,000 Temu referral bonus when you refer a friend. All you have to do is share your unique referral code on social media or with family and friends and then get rewarded when they start using the app. Below are exclusive Temu referral bonus benefits. Up to 20% commission on your referral order. As a registered Temu app user, you have the opportunity to earn commission income by sharing a qualifying code with others. When someone who has never purchased Temu clicks through or engages with your code to make a qualifying purchase, an item or service offered on Temu with a coupon labeled with the qualifying code, you will receive a commission. The commission amount will depend on the actual payment made for the qualifying purchase, with rates ranging from 5% to 20%. Keep in mind that there are limitations outlined in the Temu affiliate program commission income statement regarding the withdrawal of commission. Up to $5 bonus per download. If someone downloads the Temu app using your qualifying code, you will receive a $5 reward. A new user is considered a real person who has not had an account on the Temu platform or downloaded the Temu app to register an account before. However, if the device used has downloaded the Temu app before, the user will not qualify as a new user. The translated versions of these terms are only for reference. In case of any differences between the English version and versions in other languages, the English version will always be the prevailing one. How to refer someone on Temu? The process of referring a friend to Temu is incredibly simple and can be completed in just a few steps. Number 1, the first thing you need to do is download the Temu app and create an account. Number 2, once you have signed up, click on the Refer a Friend button, which will provide you with a unique referral link. Number 3, you can then share this link with your friends through social media, text messages, or email. Number 4, when your friend clicks on the link and signs up for Temu, you will be awarded a $5 reward from Temu per download and up to 20% commission on their first order. Number 5, your refer also gets a 50% discount on their first order, plus the opportunity to join Temu affiliate. To reap the benefits of this Temu referral program, you should also encourage your friends to use Temu to pay bills, buy phone credit, and transfer money. The more your friends use Temu, the greater the rewards you will receive from the referral program. What are the other Temu rewards? Temu offers some of the most exciting rewards in the market for its referral program participants. For every friend who signs up using your referral code, you will get a tangible reward. These rewards can be in the form of discount vouchers, money transfer bonuses, or cashback offers on transactions. For instance, if your friend signs up and performs a transaction of $50,000, you will receive a discount voucher worth $10,000. The more friends you refer to Temu and the more they use the app, the more rewards you will earn. Conclusion. In summary, Temu offers a straightforward and hassle-free way for its users to earn exciting rewards for referring their friends to the app. By sharing your referral code with your friends, you can introduce them to all the wonderful features of Temu and earn rewards at the same time. So what are you waiting for? Get started today and refer your friends to Temu.